Good evening. I'm here at the entrance of the Em-Sphere. I love this basically screen that you walk on, right? Good evening. It is Sunday evening and I'm here at the Phrom Phong BTS station, and today I'm going to bring you to one of my favorite shopping malls. We are on our way to the Em-Sphere, and I filmed the Em-Sphere already when they opened, but of course every time when you have a new mall it takes a bit of time to get settled in. And first of all, we're going to walk the skywalk here, and as you can see already on this part they put a lot of greenery, and there is a sky bridge directly from the BTS station towards the mall, and it's very nicely integrated and you will see a lot of greenery. The main reason why I wanted to go to the Em-Sphere is because I wanted to show you the M-Wonder, and the M-Wonder is a new area on the 5th floor. They opened last month, and at the M-Wonder you find restaurants, there are bars, there is a beer garden, and actually a really cool area. So let's go and have a look there, and I will also show you the Tribe Beach Bar, which is on the same floor. So as you can see here already at the entrance of the skywalk, a lot more greenery, a lot of trees. From here you also have a very nice view of the mall. So the Em-Sphere is a part of the M district, which includes the M Quartier, which is right next to the Phrom Phong BTS station. We are next to the Benjasiri Park. Yeah, and if you visit Bangkok and you like shopping malls, I can definitely recommend to come and have a look in this one. The M-Wonder, Em-Sphere. There next to the IKEA sign you have the IKEA restaurant, which I can definitely recommend as well. You have a great view. You can get your IKEA favorites like Swedish meatballs. This mall opened in December 2023. Yeah, and the whole green area now is something from the last 2 months. Yeah, you really feel like you're walking through a kind of park, right? I think that the Em-Sphere at the moment is one of the most popular shopping malls in Bangkok. And it's always worth having a look here at the 3D screen. Aha, there you have it, the M-Wonder. As you can see, they opened on the 28th of June. We are already way in July now, and they are open every day from 7:30 until late. One of the restaurants is Mummy Rose, and I will show you where Mummy Rose is located. But let's go, let me show you how it looks inside. So the new area that I want to show you is here on the 5th floor. You see all these trees there, and it's on the same floor as the Tribe Beach Bar. So let's go. So welcome to the Em-Sphere. Sawadee krap. I like this area here. So here you have all the restaurants. Actually, the Em-Sphere, the main attraction for the Em-Sphere are the food areas and the IKEA. So let me just show you the food district here. Here in the middle part you always have different exhibitions and different markets. So now it's the Thai market, the FYI market, so I guess it's for your information. Yeah, and this is one of the more popular food districts at the moment. And there are a couple of restaurants where we like to go to as well. Before we go to the 5th floor, I wanted to show you a bit of how the mall looks from the outside as well. And it's almost like it's always Christmas at the Emsphere. It's around 7 o'clock now. The sun just set. It was a bit windy early, so we might get a bit of rain. As you can see, it's cloudy. We are in the raining season, so... But actually traffic is not bad at the moment. So I already noticed a couple of times that there are very long lines for a shop called Butterbear, and I have no idea what Butterbear is, so let's go and have a look. I've seen the line again, so if anybody knows what Butterbear is, feel free to share it with me. Tap. So here we are at the Butterbear, and I don't know if they are giving discounts or if it's just very delicious. I remember when Krispy Kreme's donuts came to Bangkok, we had people standing in line, and these are donuts as well. So let me show you a bit more. So it seems that new donut shops in Bangkok are doing well. So maybe a tip for anybody who knows donuts. So here we are again at the food market, but now on the ground floor. And this I would call the whatever burger. I think that will guarantee you a week on the toilet if you eat this one. We have many different restaurants here. Korean, Japanese, even Mongolian. I love this mall. Here at the back you have the Gourmet market, which is a very popular supermarket for Westerners. And let me show you the entrance here. The ceiling that they have is pretty cool. This is really a mall that is made for Instagram. So if you want to have an afternoon making some nice Instagram pictures, you can come here. This is pretty cool, right? Let's go and have a look first here at the Tribe Beach Club, which is also on the 5th floor, and this already opened about 6 months ago. And there's no entrance fee. You're required to get a drink or some food. So that was the beach club, but I'm not here for the beach club. I just wanted to show you the new area that recently opened. Well, it actually opened 2 weeks ago. So let's go and have a look here on the rest of the 5th floor. So you can see it's in the same kind of style as the food court downstairs. And there are also a lot of different food stalls here. There are a couple of restaurants. During the European Championships, you could watch the football here live. There are 2 floors. Yeah, it's so cool to see how Bangkok keeps evolving. Even in a new shopping mall like this, there are new things popping up. And this here is called the M Wonder, and it's a kind of beer hall. Here in the corner you have the Mami Rose, which is from the same owners as Pastel in Sukhumvit 11. Maybe I should try this also one time. The Super Shakariki 432. Yep, Sawadee. Hello, how are you? Very good. Thai hospitality is always good. So here there's a little area where the kids can play. They thought about everything. Yeah, this is still relatively new, so it's not very busy. There's one more floor, so let's go up. There are a couple more restaurants here. You can see everything is in a nice atmosphere. The Coco Chill. Sawadee Krap. This is a nice beach vibe bar as well. It would not surprise me if this is from the same owners as the Tribe. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the M Wonder here on the 5th floor of the Em-Sphere Mall in Bangkok. It's next to the Phrom Phong BTS station, easy to get here by public transport. You just walk the skywalk and you're there. If you enjoyed this update and if you're interested in more about Bangkok, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line. I see you guys in my next video.